V-O-T-V! Hello everybody, today we've got another Lego set for you. It's box 76128. It's from Spider-Man Far From Home and it's Molten Man Battle. This set includes Mysterio, a firefighter, and Spider-Man in a new outfit. And of course Molten Man. Molten Man himself looks awesome and he's got molten parts of the city on his body like the car and the light posts. And I really cannot wait to see these golden bricks on his legs. Molten Man also has some kind of shooter on one of his arms. And let's start to open this box. Inside the box there were 2 bags full of Lego, instructions, stickers, and a bag for all the webs. I can also see the golden bricks and Molten Man's face in packages 1 and 2. And they look really amazing. We've opened bag 1 and now we're going to start to build the minifigures. We have just finished the minifigures and they both look amazing. The firefighter's got his little fire extinguisher in his arm. Here's Spider-Man, he looks quite cool. And we're just going to put them off to the side here. And put the web. And put the web back here. Now let's start to build Molten Man.
That's awesome. So cool.
It's gonna be more awesome when I add this. This looks amazing so far, and you can see the part of the molten car there. And we're gonna move on to pack 2. And here we have Mysterio. He's looking amazing, and we're gonna put him next to these guys and continue with Molten Man.
And the fireman.
Oh, I just realized if you push on that bit, then it launches.
Really?
Push on this thing like that and then it launches.
Oh.
Yeah, I forgot it could do that. Yeah, you think I remember these things, but I don't.
Oh, I'm sorry for not slipping in, but don't worry, we'll find a way in. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, not slipping in.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's got it on now. Let's finish off his other one.
Oh, buddy. This set is amazing. Oh, his face. What do you know? We found his face and he looks scary.
Okay, we've got his second arm in place. We've got his claws here, his shooter thing here. He's got a chain here, which on the box.
Oh, you meant to attach it there.
This
You got the card.
I love this fiery glory.
I love it so much. The claws. It's like if he was like, I will destroy the city And then he shoots the fire bullets and pew, and then lava everywhere.
Yeah.
Come to the river, let me see the water.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
I'm holding it. Yay! Hey, you got him. He looks awesome.
But we're not done. We gotta attach all the bits. It's a man made out of molten lava.
The trash is middle.
Yeah, all the trash that you'd find in a city is on this glorious man.
This
He's
man
like,
is
oh, come. I'm gonna destroy something.
and look on the box is the float on fire.
We have just finished our build and this looks amazing. We've got the 3 minifigures in front and Molten Man behind them. And it looks really cool. It's got the lamppost here, a sign here, the molten car here, and that face looks terrifying. And we've got lava dripping off there. A few lava chains, a Gatling gun on this arm and some nice claws on there. And this looks amazing. And I just want to put Mysterio up here. Spider-Man
Right here on the claw. Right there. Somewhere. Yeah, right there. Right on the giant deadly claw. Now it looks like
and then the firefighter
behind
underneath.
his leg.
Trying to spray him.
Yeah.
And now it looks like on the set.
Yay.
Spider-Man slinging on him, Mysterio's all the way up the top, and then the firefighter's just trying to extinguish his leg.
And then he can fall down and then he can freeze his own body.
Yeah. In our opinion, this is probably one of the best sets from Spider-Man Far From Home we've done on this channel. We really enjoyed building this and we love the design with all the golden bricks and the dripping lava. And this set has a lot of spare bricks so you can use for your own builds, including the golden lava plates. And that's it for today's video. Please put a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications for when we post a new video on our channel. We are now on Instagram, so check it out. There will be behind the scene photos and photos of what we're currently building. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye!